Today we're at the Magnolia Tree Hotel on Harbor Boulevard, and we're going to give you a tour of the family suite. All right, we're inside the family suite at the Magnolia Tree Hotel. There's a king bed and a bunk bed with two fulls, it looks like, and we're going to take you around the room now. Ready? First, we have a desk and TV. There's lots of plugs all around the room, just like this one right here. You can see regular 3-prong and the USB. You have your little, instead of a closet, this little storage unit here. There's a microwave, hello, long mirror over there, microwave and a fridge. We'll open that up in a second. Here's the king bed right next to the window up front and with your AC unit. Only one side table there. And then here's your bunk bed for the kids, or maybe it's a group of young adults for a party. There's a outlet over there. Hi. All right, so I noticed no coffee maker, but there is the microwave. And the fridge. And here we go into the bathroom. Nice large bathroom. Sink with some soap and lotion there. More outlets. I noticed, you might notice already too, there's no towel rack. So I found it in the drawers here. There's our towels. So if you've got more than one or two people in here, you're probably going to need to ask for more towels. But then here we have our tub shower combo. Very nice. Big shower head. And some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash back there for you. I can't tell what that brand is. If you're interested in that kind of thing, I'll look at it later. So that's the family suite here. This is room 123, I believe. Just checked in. I'm going to take you around the rest, or take some pictures of the rest of the property for you. It's very small. This is on our boutique and budget hotel tour, so a lot of smaller places for you this time. This was our favorite shower. Not our favorite bathroom, but our favorite shower because it had good water pressure. And then the shower head had a simple button where you could switch through to different water flows if you wanted to. But there were no other amenities to film for you here. To read my further thoughts on this room, check out DisneyHotelLady.com. I'll have links to the other hotels on our boutique and budget hotel tour here when the videos are up and ready for you. Be sure to like and subscribe. And that's it from me, Stacy, your Disney Hotel Lady.